In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the slide transition effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported these two clips onto my timeline. The first thing you need to do is to come over to the Effects tab and search for the push transition and apply this push transition in between your two clips over here and hit OK. Next, select the transition over here and come over to duration and change it to 10 frames and hit OK. If your transition is not aligning to the center, if it's starting at the end of the cut, you want to come over here and change it to center at cut. The next thing you need to do is to move from transition back to your project and select this new item icon over here and select adjustment layer to create a new adjustment layer and hit OK. And drag this adjustment layer above your transition over here and select C to activate the razor tool and make a cut at the end of your transition here and select this extra portion over here and delete it. Next, select the adjustment layer and move back to your effects tab and search for directional blur and apply the directional blur to your adjustment layer over here. Next, move to the center of your clips over here and select the adjustment layer. Come over to blur length over here and set your blur length to 50 and toggle on the stopwatch next to blur length and set the direction to 90 and toggle on the stopwatch next to direction. Now come over and drag your playhead to the start of your clip and hit this reset parameter over here and repeat the same thing for blur length. Now move this to the end of your clip over here and hit the reset parameter once more for both the direction and the blur length and move this to the complete end. And if you go back now and hit play, you can see what we've created over here.